Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please consider subscribing and then hitting that notification button, okay? So I'm doing a new series on how to create your YouTube channel from start to finish. So obviously I'll show you how to sign up for a YouTube account and then how to customize your YouTube channel, upload your first video, and creating a customized thumbnail for your YouTube videos using a free software. And of course, I'll recommend some setups for your lighting and on audio, and it's up to you to use that or take it as a reference to create better looking videos. So stay tuned. Before we can start creating a YouTube channel or signing into a YouTube account, we need to have a Gmail account. So assuming you don't have one, or you have one, please, you can obviously use that, or if not, you can create a Gmail on your own, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So after you have opened Gmail, you can go and create an account. For myself, let me put in, say, Spencer, or put in Tech Rookie, probably Tech Rookie, and username, anything that you want to put. In this case, let me just put Tech Rookie, see whether it is taken. Okay, Tech Rookie 101. All right. No, Tech Rookie Spencer. I guess that would not have somebody. All right, so let's say I will do that. Please enter your own passwords. So they'll ask for a phone number. So it's just more for account security if there's anything that happens that need to get your account back. But in this case, I'll just leave it alone. So recovery mail, again, you can put in your own email address if you want to keep your account secure. Then I'll just put in some arbitrary date. Let's say today is June the 21st, and year, let's just put it like 1988. Okay, gender male. So just next. And when you agree to the terms and conditions, and there you have it. There will be your first Gmail account. So once you have this Gmail account, do remember to save your email address and your password somewhere if you are using this account for the first time. So now let's show you how to go and create your first YouTube channel or sign in. So head towards YouTube, open it up, and go to the top right corner when you see a sign that says sign in. Click on that. In this case, I've already signed into my Gmail back here, right? So now I can see that once I click on the sign in at the YouTube page, it's already signed in here. So all I need to do is click on this button and then click on create a channel. So once you have that, your channel, you can name it whatever you want. Let's try and name it as Tech Rookie or Technical Vibes, whatever, 101. And then create your channel. Importantly, when you want to create a channel, you probably have to have a theme or what you intend to create. If it's a food channel, maybe you can aim towards naming your channel with a bit of information heading towards that direction. If it's a technical channel, then obviously you put that. So it really depends. Some people may put in just their names, and then as they go along, they create identification or branding with that particular name. So it really depends on what you want to start off with. You can put your name. Like, for me, I have another channel which is Spencer Hoon, and that is the channel that I put for my private or my video stuff of more orientated to my family. Some people can use that as their primary channel for a technical review channel. So it really depends on what you want to do. Alright, and that's got you started. Officially now you have your first YouTube channel. Obviously there are no subscribers, but do not fret, just keep churning out videos as and when you can. And next I will show you how to customize your channel.